Right, guys. Happy Sunday. Let's get into it. Forex here. All right, so let's check out the economic calendar here. I don't think there's anything. Oh, wait, there's some exciting things here. Let's see here. We got the FOMC statement, FOMC press conference, the federal funds rate at 5.5%. So it looks like they're keeping the rates the same, not changing it. Thursday is another big day for the Bank of England for their 5.25 base rate decision. ISM at 9. And then we have NFP this Friday. Wow. NFP is this Friday, February 2nd. So it's gonna be a crazy week of trading here. Monday, there's nothing really going on, except for just retail sales for Australia. But starting Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and all the way till Friday morning for NFP, this is going to be one solid, crazy week of economic news, fundamental trading. Pay close attention. So what we're doing, what we plan on doing is selling the US dollar for this week. I expect the US dollar to come back down to 103 and then break 103 back down to 102. So I don't expect anything positive out of the outcome for the interest rate decision because they're keeping the rates the same. And if they're not going to raise any rates, then I don't expect anything positive for the outcome for the Federal Reserve. Always be mindful that they could, reverse the news, especially for the press conference. Press conference is 30 minutes after the federal funds rate decision. So we are buying all the indices, buying US 30, buying S&P, and personally, based on this candle here closing out on the inverted hammer pin candle on NASDAQ, I would be selling this. But I don't expect indices to drop anytime soon, like a major sell-off. But I do expect some kind of retracement throughout the week, especially with these heavy news coming out for Wednesday for FOMC and also for Friday NFP. And it's all going to be during New York sessions, especially when London overlaps with New York from 7 in the morning till 10 in the morning Central Time. And for those that are on the East Coast, it'd be 8 in the morning till noon. And I can't speak for a specific time because I don't live over there. So let's talk about what I still plan on doing. Gold, we are buying gold. I'm looking for gold to come back up to 2040 and 2050 by this week here. And then we'll see if it breaks resistance at 2070 to go back up to retest 2100. Selling UJ, I'm expecting UJ to come back down to 147 and then break 147 to 146. Selling USWIS back down to 86 and then break below 86 back to 85. Selling UCAD back down to 134, I believe. Yeah, 134 and break 134 below back to 133. And then buying Euro British Pound back to 86. And then we'll see if it breaks above 86 from there. And so I have highlighted 86.1. And then buying Euro for 109. Right. Yeah, 109. And then the next move would be to break 110 and go above 110. And then selling the pound. So the pound is kind of iffy right now. Really, so many doji coins in the past. I mean, so many doji candles in the past weeks here, especially the whole month. I mean, if you look, all these weekly candles have been closing out. You can see a bunch of doji candles closing out at the 127 price mark. So there's a lot of consolidation there. So I'm still expecting for this to drop, buying Euro British because that's the reverse correlation setup. And then looking for the pound drop back to 126. And then we'll see how much more it's going to drop further below 126. I don't expect too much. Bank of England does have their interest rate decision on Thursday. So pay close attention to that once we come into Thursday morning. Australia and New Zealand, we are buying both these pairs. I'm buying the Australian dollar back to 66 and then to 67, and then buying New Zealand dollar to hit 161 back to 62. And then, like I said, be very always pay attention to the economic calendar, what I already spoke for. Wednesday, New York sessions. Thursday, New York sessions, and Friday, New York sessions. And then Tuesday, it's going to be a toss-up from there, but nothing for Monday. So Monday might be just a chill day. And then we come in pretty intense on New York sessions on Tuesday morning. Any questions regards to the analysis or signals on the weekly swings, let me know in the Telegram chat group. Arnett, I don't want the Chiefs to win, but if they win, awesome. Would like to see the 49ers and the Ravens going to the Super Bowl. Peace out, guys. All right, guys. What's up, guys? Happy Sunday fun day. Let's get to it here for the cryptocurrencies here. Signals here. All right. So we are buying every single cryptocurrency here, especially Bitcoin. I know it's starting to come back down right now. I'm gonna highlight the price here. I'm still holding buys on every single cryptocurrency on the broker here. So buying Bitcoin back to 43,000 and 44,000. That's what I'd be looking for. Buying Ethereum back to 2,300, and then the next big move would be to hit 2,400 here. Buying Litecoin for 70, and then the next move after 70 would be 72, and then 74. Buying Shiba for 9.5 back to 10 here. We'll see how much more it's going to keep going here. Most of them are retracing back down. Let's see, buying Dogecoin for 8 cents. And then next move we break 8.5. Buying Ripple for, let's see, let me drop this down to 55 and then to 56 cents in value. And then buying Neo for $11 in value to shoot back up to $12 in value. And then buying Dash for 28 to 30. 30 would be the big move here to break resistance. And then buying Solana for 100 and then breaking 100 back to 110. And then the next big move would be break at the high of 120 to 125. And then Zcash is coming back down here. Most of them are retracing back down as of this morning, but I'm still going to be holding on until something major happens for tonight as we get into the Forex trading markets conditions tonight when it opens. Zcash, looking for Zcash go back to 24 and 25. And then Tezos, last coin, be looking for a move back to go above $1 in value and then back to 110. Any questions, concerns, comments in regards to the weekly analysis or the actual daily signals, let me know in the chat group. I know I went pretty fast here, but you guys can always chat with me on the chat group and let me know what your thoughts are on cryptocurrency analysis here, or if there's something else that I need to explain some more in detail here. So other than that, I'll see you guys in the chat group. Happy Sunday.